Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE General Electric Universal Appliance Combo Brush Set 2-Pack Part #PM14X10056. The GE General Electric Universal Appliance Combo Brush Set 2-Pack Part #PM14X10056 is a 2-pack of brushes designed to clean a variety of appliances. The set includes 2 brushes, one with soft bristles for gentle cleaning and one with stiff bristles for tougher jobs. The brushes are designed to fit into tight spaces and are ideal for cleaning refrigerator coils, dryer vents, air conditioner fins, and other hard-to-reach areas. The brushes are made from durable plastic and feature a comfortable handle for easy use. The set also includes a convenient This part fixes the following symptoms. This brush set is designed to help clean the interior of washing machines and dryers. It can help remove lint, dirt, and other debris from the interior of the appliance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the screws that secure the front panel of the appliance to the frame. 3. Remove the front panel and set aside. 4. Locate the brush holder on the motor shaft and remove it by unscrewing it with a screwdriver or wrench. 5. Insert the new brush set into the holder and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model of appliance. 6. Reattach the front panel to the frame and secure with screws. 7. Plug in your appliance and test to make sure it is working properly before use. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.